Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So in today's video, it is sponsored by Unice Hair. They sent over their Glueless 12-inch Baba Knots Body Wave 7x5, 150% density, you guys. This wig is so nice. So right now, I'm just showing you guys everything that came along with this wig. You do get a satin bag to store your wig, as well as nails, a wig band, and 2 wig caps, you guys. They also sent along was a robe, which is really nice, and I'll show you guys what that actually looks like in this video as well. Also, they did send wig tape along with this wig.
Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love.
So right now I'm just showing you guys the construction of this wig. You guys, this wig has Baba knots. As you can see, it is invisible. It looks so good. I was so surprised. Also, this wig is a smart cap, which one size fits all head sizes, you guys, which is a plus. They also have a new formula, which is a C shape, which fix over your ears, the shape of your ears comfortably, you guys, so that way you're able to wear glasses if you are a glasses wearer, which I am, and I love that so much. It also came with an elastic band as well, so I did go in and put that in this wig. You also get adjustable straps as well, and you have 8 adjustable hooks to be able to adjust your wig to your head size. So that's what makes this wig so much more perfect. So I already put my elastic band inside of this wig, so now I'm just going in and I'm adjusting my adjustable straps to make sure that my wig is fitted comfortably to my head size. Alright, y'all, so this is what the wig is looking like straight out of the pack, you guys. This looks so good. You don't have to do anything to it, but I decided to go in and just define my part a little more, and I wanted to the side just a bit more. I also wanted to define my curls, so I did go in and put some water, nonetheless just water. I did utilize my wax stick to make the top of my hair a little flatter, but nonetheless, that's all that I actually did to this hair. I did not put any type of heavy product in this hair. Like I said, all I utilized was water. So right around the perimeter of this wig, I did go in with a little bit of foundation, only because it was looking a little white and we do not want that. But then I started to realize that, you guys, it was just my stocking cap under. Lord. So y'all, this hair was so soft. I could not stop running my fingers through it, y'all. It was super fluffy at 150% density, you guys. It was definitely giving like 180. It was so full, and I just love it. It already has shine and luster to it already, so I didn't have to put any type of oil products in this hair. Also, opening this wig straight out of the package, you guys, I did not get any shedding, and I also did not have any type of smell to this wig at all. So yes, y'all, perfect all around the board. And don't forget that this wig is pre-plucked, it is pre-bleached, and it is pre-cut. All the things that you need. So I'm going in with a bit of my wax stick, you guys. This step is optional. You do not have to do this. This is just something that I like to do with all my installs, but nonetheless, like I said, you guys do not have to do this step.
Solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all love. Everything good. Keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all.
So now I'm just going in with some water inside of this spray bottle, you guys. It's just plain water, nothing special. I did not want to wet my hair too much, but I did wet it a bit, so that way you guys can see what it actually looks like being wet against, being dry, which I do like both ways, I must say. So I did let this dry to about 60% dry, and then I came back and I showed you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, y'all, so this right here is what the hair looks like at 60% dry, y'all. Super, super full, fluffy, and still soft, y'all. No tangling, no shedding at all. I will definitely have all of Unice information in my description box below, so that way you guys can be sure to check him out, y'all. Look at that bounce, so pretty, full, and so soft. I'm telling y'all, I would not steer you wrong. And this wig is glueless, you guys. No glue whatsoever. So definitely check out the company's information in my description box below. You guys do not want to miss out. Yeah, don't forget to comment below. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. Don't forget, if you're new, please go ahead and like, share, and subscribe to the channel.